everyone! Kumusta? I am Sheila and narito ako upang i-share ang aking naging reflection sa ating pagbasa ngayon. And our gospel for today is according to Mark chapter 16 verses 12 to 15. And this reflection will be titled, Believe and You Will See. Dahil sa ating pagbasa, karamihan ay hindi naniwala that God has risen until God appeared in front of themselves and they saw it with their own eyes. And God rebuked them for that because they had lack of faith. Pero bakit nga ba palaging kailangan makita muna natin ang isang bagay bago tayo maniwala? Isn't faith believing and it will happen? Hindi ba sa araw-araw naniniwala tayo na may kinabukasan pa tayo or tomorrow magigising pa rin tayo at nandito tayo? There's no 100% assurance on that. But without doubt, natutulog tayo ng mahimbing, believing and planning for our next day. And that's faith. We believe and we see. Naniniwala tayo kahit na hindi natin siya nakikita, kahit hindi natin siya physically nakakasama. We believe that God is with us. And we believe na palagi at palagi na hindi niya tayo iiwan. And if it ever happened to you na hindi mo naman nakita, hindi mo naman hawakan, yet something happened, and that is God. And we should spread the word, to believe and to always have faith in Him. Because once we believe, we will see. Hindi ba palagi tayong naniniwala na makakalampas tayo or makakaraos sa anumang pinagdadaanan natin? Kahit walang assurance, kahit wala tayong naririnig na sagot sa Kanya, yet still, pinakikita niya na nandito siya at kasama natin siya. Bakit at paano? He answers our prayers in a different way. We might not be able to see it, but somehow, nare-realize natin na this is God working for me, answering my prayer. Because we believe in Him. Maniwala ka lang at makikita mo. Because with faith, we grasp into hope that something will always be for us from God. And we are always heard by God. Believe, and you will see.